a hug right here, like this. Bring his head right there. Okay, there you go, like that. Now we're gonna get you over here. Okay. Okay.
What, Jack?
Put his arm up.
This is Jack.
Yes.
Where is Jack's towel?
Right here.
Let me have that. We'll put Jack on this side, all right?
Well, you've known them for a while, right?
Okay, right?
Yeah.
The bird, so you're
Okay,
a bit
ready?
familiar
Yeah.
with it.
Come on, Jack.
Right.
Right, here we go, guys. There you go. Yeah. You see them little moles? He thinks they're bugs, Dad. So be careful. All right, yeah. Don't let him get them because he'll take them off. Free removal, Dad.
That's Jack,
Gone like
Chewy.
that. I mean, gone. No more moles.
That's Hungry.
And what?
And then
Nobody bleed. That looks bad.